Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable field history tracking. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup and search for the history tracking. So I'm going to click on setup and from there we need to search for tracking or history tracking. So I'm just going to type here. As you can see, we can find the field history tracking. So all we need to do now is to enable our field history tracking. So now you want to choose any kind of object that you want to uh, track its field. And from here, I'm going to click on view. And basically, you will need to click on enable account history. And from here, you will find all the fields. So I'm just going to choose the fields type and you can track changes only here by description, etc. etc. So let's, for example, choose the account name, and from here I'm going to click on save, and now we have our tracking field that has been added. Basically, you can do this for each or all the object that you have, and by clicking here, you will be able to see all the tracked fields. So for example, for accounts, you have these fields that are being tracked by history. For case, you have 10 fields. For contracts, you have 18 fields, etc. etc. So basically, at the end, you will need just to choose any kind of objects. You click on view, you find all the fields, you choose the tracks that uh, changes only, and basically you will need just to click on save, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.